Now imagine watching a 150-inch movie screen without a TV, editing your work emails in the middle of the forest without a laptop, or playing AAA games without a console in sight. This is the INMO Air 3, the world's first all-in-one AR glasses that fits right in your pocket. And after using it for a week, let me show you why I think it's the future of wearable tech. Now let's start with the unboxing. Now the INMO Air 3 comes in this sleek premium box that screams next-gen tech. Inside, you've got the smart control ring, glasses themselves, sunglass attachment, USB-C cable, a magnetic charging cable, and another controller to control your glasses. Now right away, you'll notice these don't look like some weird sci-fi gadget. They're lightweight, stylish, like regular eyewear. But here's the kicker. These are truly all-in-one. No wires, no dangling power packs as well, no phone needed, just wear and go. Basically, you turn them on with one of the buttons on this side, volume rockers on the other side right there, and you're good to go. Now on this side right here is a touch panel that you can use to navigate through things. Now it comes with this ring as well, and we'll show you that later on. And that's how you're able to navigate through everything. Now these comes with speakers as well on the side, and I like how it's see-through. You could see my eyes through these. Now if you notice, I've tested other AR glasses in this channel, and they have this little protruding things to like a screen. These are built in right on the glass, as you could see there. It kind of reflects a little bit and vertically right there. So it does the exact same thing minus the the whole contraption in the front. It also is super slim on the front like so. It's just a little bulky on the side. The good thing about that is you don't need to tether it to your device. It just works like so. Now look at this portability. I can throw them in my bag and head out without any bulky setup. Now when you put these glasses on, this is what you see. A crisp 1080p Sony Micro OLED display, 600 nits of brightness, and check this out. Even in broad daylight, the screen is clear. It's like having a cinema in your sunglasses. And with a 36-degree ultra-wide field of view, that's basically a 150-inch floating screen. So, why did I bring this on my weekend trip? Because it's literally my entertainment center, workstation, and vlogging gear all in one. Now this has a built-in Snapdragon XR processor with 8GB RAM and 128 storage. So it runs apps natively, no tethering. The smart ring controls everything as well, and you've got 3D OF floating screen tracking. It feels like magic. Basically, it has a button down here to go back, and then this is like a scroll, or you can press on it to select, and you can also drag things by holding like so. They're kind of like pinching, right? The best part about this is it has motion detection. So this acts like your cursor. When you move your finger, your hands, this will move your cursor onto your screen. So yeah, you can select things using this. Plus, a 16 megapixel ultra wide camera, perfect for hands-free vlogging. Now first up, streaming. On this camping trip, I ditched my iPad, watching a movie outdoors on what feels like a massive theater screen. This is unbeatable. Next, remote work. I connected my PC remotely and started editing a document with a virtual keyboard. Zero distractions, just pure focus. If you're working in a cafe, then you don't need to have your head kind of looking down. You can have these and the screen will come with you. Use it as your second screen as well if you're editing, and you can comfortably work wherever you go. And of course, you can use the cast screen app as well for your MacBook and also your phone. And when I wanted to game, I hopped on cloud gaming and played AAA titles smoothly. No consoles, no monitor, just me and these glasses. Now, if I wanted to game, all I gotta do is go to a Steam link. You can use your Xbox as well. You can also use PlayStation, but right now we're gonna use Steam link. Make sure that it's connected to your PC first of all, and now be able to game by pressing start playing. Now, for those of you who are wondering, you can also connect your DualSense wireless controller onto the INMO Air3. Now, do you see my content? I'm watching something right now. I'm actually swiping right now. Let me know what you think. Do you see it? Then, I used the built-in 16 megapixel camera to vlog some shots. Hands-free, no phone waving around. Again, this is the plants that we have in our backyard. Almost fall, look. There's yellow leaves falling now. Crazy. Now here is a cool trick, the space multi-screen. Basically with this, you'll be able to have multi-screens in front of you. It's a new app that INMO specifically have. And here you'll be able to open multiple apps in front of you. You can have Google Drive in front of you. You can add in another app. Let's just say Chrome. And the other side, you can add in another program, maybe TikTok, so you can doom scroll. It's pretty cool, really. And this way, you'll be able to add in more apps. I think there's 3 apps max here, but basically, you'll be able to multitask right here, having 3 apps in front of you. Now, how does it stack up against big names like X-Real or Ray-Ban Meta? The INMO Air3 works standalone, you don't need any phone or no tethering. And the display, brighter, sharper, and fully immersive. Now, like I said earlier, the other brands has these protruding things on the glasses, so it doesn't look like normal glasses. If we're talking about Ray-Ban's Meta, those doesn't have anything on the glasses. They just record or take photos. You can also use the virtual assistant, which the INMO Air3 can do, plus more. Now, after a week, here's my verdict. If you love tech, travel, streaming, or just want to work from anywhere, this is your next big upgrade. The INMO Air3 isn't just AR, it's freedom in a frame. Now check out the link in the description to learn more or grab your own pair. Trust me, once you try these, there's no going back. Now thanks for watching everyone. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new AR glasses that is standalone. Definitely the first of its kind. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button as well. And if you have any questions at all, ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!